Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and particularly if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you makes an absolutely perfect gift, or if you are a big traveler and you just don't want any of your electronics to die while you're out and about, and that is because it is a nice portable charger or portable power bank. So these were sent over by a company called INIU, and it's going to come in a lot of different color options. I have 4 to show you right here. So each one of these are a 10,000 mAh battery, and like I said, it's going to come in a lot of colors. So you get a nice dark blue one if you have somebody that likes blue. You can get the classic just black one if you choose. Then you get a little bit more fun colors. If you got somebody that likes red, you got a nice red one which stands out. And then one of my personal favorites is you get this nice forest green option here as well. So like I said, these make great little stocking stuffers, make great gifts for your friends or your loved ones, because everybody has electronics nowadays, and you know, things happen out and about and they basically dry out, whether you're on social media and you just need a quick charge and you may not be tethered to a wall outlet. These you can bring because they're very small, compact, and lightweight. To give you an idea of the size, it's about 4 1/4 inches tall, about 2 3/4 inches wide in thickness. Now, it does have this nice little lanyard, but this lanyard is a little deceiving because it is a braided cable, and you open it up and it is a type C to C cable. So this makes it super easy. You have a cord right there with you all the time to charge up your cell phone, which is absolutely great. So you can just simply pop this off. And then you're going to notice on the end port, you're going to have 2 type C ports and 1 type A port. So this guy can charge up to 3 devices at the same time. And it's rated for 45 watt fast charging. So if you have 1 device in it, that's what it's going to do. It's going to do the 45 watt fast charging on the type C port. And then as far as charging into it, it can do 27 watts as far as max on the input. So it charges out faster than it actually charges inward. Now there is a power button on the side. Simply press that to activate it. And to see an idea of the battery life, you're going to notice it has this nice little paw print with basically 5 little lights. And that basically is telling you if it has 100% or not. So this one only has 3, where this one has actually all of them lit up, so it has 100% versus this one having around 50% battery life. Just a great little snapshot to know how much is left. Now another cool feature is if you are camping or you're out and about, maybe you're on the road, hiking, etc. This does have a little mini LED battery light built into it. So simply go ahead and tap that power button and it's going to turn on that LED light, so that way you can go ahead and see in the dark. To go ahead and turn it off, just simply double tap the power button again. To turn off the device manually, it will go to sleep automatically if you don't do anything, but you can hold down that power button and it will go ahead and turn itself off to conserve the little bit of battery that it is using. But like I said, these are absolutely great. They're perfect little gifts. They're great to have around. If you ever need to charge up your cell phone, they're going to be able to charge up most cell phones at least 2 times. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a great portable power bank, these are totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.